Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I just wanted to share something with you that I wasn't sure of. I don't know if it's in the owner's manual. I would assume it would be, but I just wanted to share this and see if you guys have noticed the same thing. So on here, so when you do the individual drive modes on here, so you can go to here. Okay, you can put it to comfort, and then you see it shows comfort now. Okay, or you go to normal, sport. Now I know sport, you have it in sport, when you turn the car off and turn it back on, it doesn't stay in sport. You have to select it each and every time. But on these modes, on the normal mode, of course, it's like that all the time. And then in comfort mode, you can leave it on there, and when you turn the car off and turn it back on, it'll stay in comfort mode. So comfort mode and normal mode, it'll stay in. But what I found out, and I've done this about 4 or 5 times now, so I'll leave it in comfort mode, okay? And after about 2 days of driving just normal, and it's in comfort mode, it'll revert back to normal mode after about 2 days of doing that. So like I said, I haven't even checked the owner's manual yet to see if that's normal or not. But I just thought that was kind of weird. Like I believe I read somewhere in the owner's manual that said it'll stay in comfort or normal, which it does for 2 days in my experience. And I've done that, like I said, 4 or 5 times now. So I just wanted to see if you guys have used that mode. Does yours stay in comfort mode forever? Because I was under the assumption that it does. Like normal, of course, it's always a normal mode, but it won't longer than 2 or 3 days max, and I won't do anything else with it. So I don't know if it has to do with, I have no idea if that's normal, if it's a glitch, but it's been a couple of times now where it just won't stay in it after 2 or 3 days is the most. So again, if you guys have used that, let me know if you notice that, if it'll stay in there as long as you want it to, because I'm not having that luck with comfort mode. It's staying engaged in there. So I just want to share that with you guys. I don't know, like I said, if it's a glitch. It's kind of a weird little thing to have, but just thought it was a little interesting. Okay, hope everyone's doing good out there, having a good day. As you can see here, it's raining pretty good, which is nice. The all-wheel drive handle is amazing in this kind of weather. One reason I'm glad I got this is because even on a 90-degree turn from a stop, you can still take off almost full throttle and it'll just grip. It's almost impossible to get the tires to slip, which I like. And I know with the front wheel drive, the 2.0, even in a straight line, if you just mash the gas, it would spin the tires. So definitely love the traction with this kind of weather. Does a great job. Again, guys, hope everyone's doing good. I'll have a video coming up again shortly. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.